The problem of iPhone screen flickering is triggered by many reasons. For example, insufficient storage, software glitches, and hardware issue are all possible reasons. Don't worry. There are 10 methods for you to fix the malfunction of your screen. Method 1. Check memory status. Insufficient storage space will directly contribute to many iPhone problems. Please go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Just delete useless pictures or unwanted apps to free up enough storage space. Method 2. Turn on Reduce Transparency. Firstly, please head to Setting on your iPhone. Afterward, choose the Accessibility option, and then to Display and Amp, Text Size. In this section, locate Reduce Transparency, and click to toggle it on. Method 3. Disable Auto Brightness. You could visit Settings, scroll down to Display and Amp, Brightness and slide to disable the automatic feature. After that, do a soft reset on your iPhone. Method 4. Turn off Auto HDR. Many users have shared that their flickering screen has returned to normal by turning off HDR setting. You could deactivate this function in Settings. In Settings page, locate Camera, and there is an Auto HDR. Simply turn that off and check whether your screen stops flickering. Method 5. Reinstall the specific app. This method applies only to the situation where your screen flickers in opening the specific app. In this case, you can delete the problematic app by long pressing it and following the on-screen instruction. Then, you need to get the app back from Apple Store. Method 6. Use Joyoshare UltFix. Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery is developed specifically as a solution to iOS problems of sorts. It can be applied to the latest iOS version and models with ease. More than that, it carries with 2 repair modes, standard mode and advanced mode, to fix more than 150 iOS, ISS, UES. In the first step, download and install Joyoshare UltFix on your computer. Then open it and use the original Lightning cable to connect your iPhone to it. When connecting successfully, click on the iOS System Repair section, and go to the next step by touching Start, Next, UNER. To select a repair mode, you are suggested to choose Standard Repair Mode, with which no data will be lost, and almost all common iOS system problems could be fixed completely. Now, you should download and verify a firmware package by hitting on Download. But before doing this, please confirm the information shown on the screen about your iPhone. In the last step, get the firmware package unzipped by clicking on Repair. After unzipping, Joyoshare UltFix will automatically repair your iPhone flickering display issue. Method 7. Update iOS version. Always remember to check that you are using the newest version. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and see if there are any new updates. Maybe your screen would be normalized through this way. Method 8. Force Restart iPhone. For iPhone 6s or iPhone SE, first generation, keep pressing the Home button and the Wake button until the Apple logo displays on the screen. For iPhone 7, pressing the Volume Down button and the Wake button, and keep the action till you see the logo of Apple. For iPhone 8 or iPhone SE, second generation, and later, quickly press and release the Volume Up button, the Volume Down button as well. Then keep pressing the Side button. When Apple logo appears, let go of the Side button. Method 9. Restore iPhone in recovery mode via iTunes. Launch iTunes and plug your phone into the computer. Then put your iPhone in recovery mode. Supposing that you have entered the recovery mode successfully, an overlay would appear in iTunes. You could select Restore to restore iPhone, and fix the problem. Method 10. Replace iPhone LCD screen. If it is the hardware fault like the defective LCD screen that places the iPhone in such a case, it is advised that you do it in the Apple Store instead of doing it yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.